So firstly, I sponged a gold face paint around my forehead and the sides of my face. And then I went into this leaf coloured split cake, and I started by doing 2 jagged shapes at the sides, and then I did 2 underneath that went a bit lower down, and then I went to the point of the leaf. And it's good to check a reference photo while you're doing this, because it is quite hard to get the shape, and also watch Lisa Joy Young's tutorial on this, because that's what I watched. I then went into a yellow face paint and painted in the middle and just blended it out. Then I went into this dark red to draw the stem of the leaf and the veins, and you only want to put a bit of paint on your brush and just really, as light as possible, draw the veins. I changed my brush from a 3/4 inch brush to a 1/2 inch to get around the sides of my face, and I tried to not go into the darker sides of the split cake as much, just focusing on the lighter colours to change it up a bit, and I just did the same technique but round the side of my face. For the next leaf, I picked up the darker colours again, the dark burgundy and red, and did the same technique. But on this one I did a yellow stem and veins. For the final leaf, I did that on top of my cheekbone, and again I focused on the orange and yellow colours instead of the dark ones, and then I added some little leaves around it. I then went into a white face paint and just added some highlights to the leaves, so I just went down the stem and along the top of each vein. I went into a yellow face paint and just added little dot clusters around the design just to tie it all together. I then went into a black face paint and added these little bats around, and I did this by putting pressure on my brush and then flicking it out at each sides, and then adding like 2 little flicks for the head and for the feet. To take the design down onto my chest, so I sponged the background with the gold, and then I started to paint on this little pumpkin as the centerpiece. I wanted to go for a bit of like an autumn forest design, so I added these cute little toadstools as well. I added some aloe vera gel under my eyes and around the chest design, and then I added this glitter mix, which is one of my own personal ones. It's called Pumpkin Spice, and I added that around the design, and then added just some fine gold glitter as well around the leaves.